Hey YouTube, how's it going? I've got a Mossberg Shockwave and I wanted to replace that plastic safety slide. And there's already a lot of other videos on YouTube about this. Most of them are pretty good, but I wanted to put my own little spin on it. First of all, I wanted to say, don't hit your gun with a hammer. I don't really agree with this, and I came up with my own little solution. What I did is I used one of these screwdriver bits for a slot screw. Then I used a hacksaw and I cut a little notch into the middle of it. After that, I went on my disc sander and I just sanded each side of the tip. And as you can see, I'm angling it back slightly. So what I want to do is I want to produce a cutting edge on the top of the driver bit, because the screw that I'm removing from the gun is designed not to be removed. So what this does will bite into the metal of the screw and allow me to remove it. You have to press down on the screw and turn it very deliberately, and it will come out. Now the screw is going to get damaged. I don't care because I'm not using this screw again. I think this actually works quite well, and hopefully it'll work for you too. So let me know what you think. Thanks.